How to fix Telegram connecting problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can fix Telegram connecting problem. So to get started, this may be because of unstable internet connection. So check your internet connection if it is stable or not. Once it's done, go to your settings and then go to your apps and notification and open up Telegram. Now what you're gonna do is click on that storage and then clear the cache. Once you have cleared it, you can restart your phone and then open up Telegram again. Doing so will successfully help you fix your Telegram connecting problem. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.